Here is how you download Adobe Lightroom for free on your PC or Mac. Start by clicking the link in the description below, which will take you directly to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, select the free trial option. Then choose the individual plan, which offers a 7-day free trial, a great chance to explore Lightroom and all its photo editing tools. Click Continue, enter your email address, and press Continue again. You'll be asked to fill out a quick form with your personal details and payment information. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the 7-day trial ends, and you can cancel at any time during that period. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and subscribe. Next, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, then log in using the same email you registered with. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Lightroom, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Lightroom is now installed and ready to use. Start editing and enhancing your photos like a pro. Plus, you'll have access to the other software in the Creative Cloud Pro Suite. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Adobe Lightroom and the full Creative Cloud Pro Suite for free today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.